This is the definitive guide to resolving browser freezing and crashing on Windows 11. Having personally battled these persistent issues and rigorously tested numerous fixes, I've pinpointed several effective strategies to restore seamless browsing, which I will now share. Method 1 addresses the most common culprits by first closing all open browser tabs to reduce immediate load, then clearing the browser's cache and cookies, which often contain corrupted data, causing instability. Disabling extensions isolates potential conflicts, and resetting browser settings returns it to a clean state, often resolving deep-seated configuration problems. Finally, ensuring both the browser and Windows are updated ensures you have the latest stability patches with a system restart to apply all changes. Method 2 dives into system resource management. Opening Task Manager allows us to forcefully end any rogue browser processes that might be stuck, and checking overall system resource usage helps identify if other applications are hogging power, leading to browser slowdowns. A malware scan is crucial as malicious software can interfere with browser operations, and updating graphics drivers ensures optimal display rendering, preventing visual glitches that can manifest as freezes. Running the system file checker verifies the integrity of Windows system files, which, if corrupted, can directly impact application stability. Method 3 focuses on browser repair and reinstallation. Accessing system settings and navigating to the browser's repair option attempts to fix internal program errors without losing data, while a full reset or reinstallation provides a completely fresh application instance, eliminating any lingering corruption. Checking browser compatibility with your system ensures no underlying architectural conflicts exist. Method 4 employs advanced system diagnostics. Opening an administrator command prompt and running the system file checker as FCS scanout command meticulously scans and repairs corrupted Windows system files that might be indirectly causing browser instability. A subsequent system restart is essential for these repairs to take effect. And finally, monitoring browser stability and checking for any underlying hardware issues provides a comprehensive approach to ensuring a permanently stable browsing experience.